Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Harriet and today I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to the Glam Squad. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, tell me what you think about this video, and please watch till the end. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let's get right into it. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a brown smoky eye. So I'm hoping it will come out the way we want it to come out. So I'll be taking you step by step into this video and let's get right into it. Why are you waiting? Click on that subscribe button. So as you can see, I have already done my foundation off camera, but we're going to take it step by step until we get to the end of this video. So let's continue and let's see how this will turn out. I'm gonna use my Black Opal foundation. It's this one. It's a stick, and I'm just going to highlight my under eyes. I'm just going to be tapping and patting. Next up, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to use that to highlight because I want my under eyes to be lighter. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna blend that out. I'm going to do a more detailed video on blending the foundation so that you guys know how I contour, but it's very easy. To bake, I'm going to be using this Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. I'm sure by now you know this is my favorite powder to use when I'm baking. And I'm just going to use my blender. Sits properly and doesn't crease into my skin. And my chin as well. I'm going to apply that on my forehead and my nose. So I'm just going to brush that off. I'm just fluffing that out. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to contour my face. So to contour, I'm using this I'm using this Nikkak New York contour cream. So like so, do the same right there, and then I'm going to contour my nose as well. Okay, I'm just going to blend the other side. If you draw a 3 when you're contouring, it makes your life so much easier because it gives you like a guideline of where your contour is supposed to be, and blending it will be so much easier as well. I know this seems to be like a big brush, but we can handle it. Okay, so we're done with contouring. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my blush. So I'm just going to take this blush, this color in this eyeshadow palette, and that's what I'm going to use to blush my cheek. And then I'm just going to smile. And then I'm blushing. I also don't like my blush to be extreme, like extremely visible. Okay, we're done with our contouring. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my favorite shimmer eyeshadow color to highlight my nose and my cheekbones. So I'm just going to use this little brush. So I'm just going to apply a little circle there. I don't want it to be too much. I'm sure you can see. That looks great. Just gonna go ahead and highlight my cube as well. Next up, I'm using this brush to highlight my cheekbones. It's so visible, like, see that? Don't forget to bring it up to these areas as well. Okay, so we're done. Next up, we're just going to do our eyebrows, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll come back, then we can get into our eyeshadows and the rest of our eyes. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows, and this is how they look. Eyebrows will never be twins, guys. They will never be twins. They will only be sisters. So right now, let's get into our eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's. I'm going to go in with this brown to add color on. I'm just also going to bring it outwards to blend it. I want to put like a nudish pink in my crease, so this is what I'm doing, into the brow bone. And then I'm just going to take that outwards so that it blends into the outer areas of my eyelid. Okay, so I'm done with the brown. Now I'm just going to go in with the black, just to darken those areas. But I'm just going to blend and I'm just going to do that on the other eye, and just blend it as well. Okay, so we're done. Next up, I'm just going to use this. I'm going to use this pinkish color. It looks light on camera, but it's a bit darker than that. So I'm going to use this. Yeah, guys, it's actually a pink. Yo, it's actually a pink. I wasn't expecting this pink. What? This is not what I expected or what I anticipated. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty palette, and then I'm going to use this pink, this one. This one is lighter, so I'm just going to put that one on top of this so that it's more like a nude. And then I'm just going to tap to add color. Yeah, I feel like this is much better now. Okay, this is much better, much better, much better. So I'm just going to do the other eye and then we'll come back and we'll continue. Okay, so I'm done. So I decided to blend that goldish into the rest of my eyelids. So now it looks like I've got a cut crease, but yeah, I think this makes sense. This is also quite pretty. I'm just going to get some highlight and then I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eye and do my under eyes and then be set and put some lipstick and we'll be done. The same one I used to highlight my nose and my cheekbones. Okay, next up I'm just going to do my lower lash line. I think I'm going to use this purple for my lower lash line, and then I'm just going to apply some mascara. Tickling up to the tail of my eyebrow. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and line with my pencil. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Ultra Matte liquid lipstick. Okay, so now I'm almost done. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes, and then after that we are done. Then we'll set and we'll be done with this. So guys, I'm done with my eyelashes and we just left with setting our face. So I'm just going to use this Revolution Pro Base Aqua Priming Base Primer Hydra. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use to set my face. Okay, so we're done guys, and this is basically how the look ended up looking. And I'm just going to remove my dupe and do my edges, and then I'll come back and show you everything. So guys, this is basically how the look turned out, and as you can see, it didn't turn out bad. I actually like the look. I love it. So it's a brown look with a nude in the crease, and this is basically how it turned out. So thank you so much guys for watching. I salute you for reaching the end of this video, and you are a hero for watching until the end. I hope you will stay tuned for my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell so that you get notified of all my new videos. Bye.